And restaurants have also been weighing in on the preparedness for the ban, but as it turns out, some businesses are still requesting more time. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has that story.
Ready or not, the ban on plastic bags, single-use straws and styrofoam is coming. Already, restaurants of all sizes have been transitioning. Keith Mitchell is the financial controller at Island Grill.
When we heard about this ban coming in, we have actually started the process already. So it is nothing new for us.
Island Grill has already removed plastics and recently launched a last straw campaign, which will see customers getting a straw only upon request.
We have procured what is called paper straws, but proper paper straws, because we sell juices, not sodas. Basically, we sell a lot of juices, and because of the texture and the viscosity of the juices, we have to ensure that we get proper straws.
But it hasn't been a seamless transition for others. Raquel Douglas Clark is the marketing manager at Pepperwood, a jerk center in St. Andrew.
We haven't secured anything for soups and hot beverages as yet, but we are still ready for the January.
Pepperwood has already replaced styrofoam boxes with these, and the persons we spoke with have no issue. That aside, the company is still appealing to the government.
Our suppliers indicated that it would take about 2 to 3 months for them to create an alternative. So we are humbly requesting that the government pardon some of us who are still relying on our suppliers, because we can't make them ourselves.
Pepperwood aren't the only ones seeking more time. Restaurants of Jamaica Limited, the company responsible for KFC and Pizza Hut, has applied for extension for the use of their existing packaging. The company says the request is to allow it to receive new stock without service interruption. Restaurants of Jamaica was quick to outline that it will abide by the ban on importation by January 1. So, with the government indicating that it will not be granting any extensions or exemptions, and businesses having to pay extra to replace plastic and styrofoam, the question being asked is whether consumers should expect an increase in food prices.
At Pepperwood, it will not.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.